Ever felt like you're drowning in different file versions? Well, this explainer is for you.
I'm sure this looks familiar. This kind of naming scheme, it's a recipe for disaster.
And then there's that heart-sinking moment when you have no idea what you changed.
Version control is basically that safety net. It's like a pro-level lab notebook for your project. So the first tool we're going to talk about is Git. It's the absolute standard for tracking code. Think of it like a time machine for your code. Seriously, you can go back to any previous version. Getting started with Git is just a simple 3-step rhythm. Initialize, add, and commit. You work on your project locally, right on your machine. Then you push it to the cloud for backup. And you'll use platforms like GitHub or GitLab for that. Think of them as secure vaults for your project. But here's the catch for researchers. What about huge data files? Yeah, Git kind of chokes on those. See, Git tries to save a full copy of every version. This just makes your project huge and slow.
And that's where DataLad comes in. It's a tool built right on top of Git to fix this problem.
I love this analogy. DataLad is like Git's athletic cousin. It does all the heavy lifting. So here's the trick. It doesn't store the actual data, just a pointer to where it is. So the main takeaway is super simple. Use Git for your code and DataLad for your data. DataLad even makes the workflow easier. The save command combines 2 Git steps into one. So you end up with this really powerful workflow that handles everything in your project. And why is this a game changer? It makes your research reproducible, turning a buzzword into a simple habit. Plus, this whole approach aligns perfectly with the FAIR data principles. You're creating a clear history, the provenance of your science, a complete, verifiable audit trail. What this really means is your work is protected. It's more transparent, shareable, and just stronger. So, your project's history becomes your new lab notebook. The real question is, what story will yours tell?